Hi everyone! Today we'll learn how to make a beautiful paper snowflake. Simple, quick, and fun. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, such as printer paper, A4 or letter. Place the paper so the long side is closer to you. Find the bottom left corner and bring it up to the top edge of the paper. Fold the paper to create a large triangle. Press firmly along the fold. Now take scissors and cut off the excess paper on the right side. Find the bottom corner on the right side. Fold it up to the top left corner. Press firmly along the fold. Take the edge of the paper on the right side and fold it to the left. You should get a small triangle, like the one on the left. Press the fold well. Turn the paper to the other side. Make the same triangle as before. Press the fold firmly. Take a pencil and draw a pattern on the paper. Cut along the drawn lines with scissors. A little further in the video, you'll find a tip on how to cut the decoration quickly and easily. Carefully unfold the paper. You'll get a snowflake. To make the snowflake flat, place it under a book or something heavy for a while. Cutting tips. If you find it difficult to cut the snowflake, unfold the paper and start cutting near the pattern. Then, return the template to its original position and cut the remaining layers.